Alright, so in this video we are going to be changing or upgrading from hard drive to SSD for this Dell laptop. This is Latitude E5550. So you start by taking all these screws out. So after that, we're going to be removing this back cover. So this is our hard drive, and this is the replacement. So once you are done, you just replace your cover and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.